Hello everyone, this is Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. We're going to do a short video to show you how I'm going to frame my flamingo for my granddaughter's 1-year birthday party. Mr. Pampered is going to put it in a frame that we just got at Michael's. They were on sale.
So I've already pulled the staples out of the corners. I've also already undone the latches, so I'm going to pull this off. Don't know what that is.
It's a piece of plastic.
Yeah, I see that. And then we have the decorative stuff.
Pretty.
For those of you who like seed pods.
Ah.
Okay, so show the frame, show the picture, I mean. This is what it's going to look like after we mat it up.
Okay. Okay. I can do with that.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I need to flip it, and I'm going to tape it.
Flip it. Want me to get
Unless you have double-sided tape.
I do.
I think I want to do both.
Double-sided adhesive tape. Took a piece of paper out of the drawer.
Adhered to it.
It adhered to it. Okay.
So that's the back. That's double-sided.
That's Wagula.
We're going to tape across the corners. I'm not an expert at this. I'm just doing this to help her out because she doesn't have any imagination when it comes to framing. I used to do photography when I was in high school and college. So I have an idea, not perfect, but I have an idea what needs to be done to make these things look okay when you mat them up. Okay, this is the double-sided tape.
Doesn't look flat.
It'll be flat when we put it in there, because
Okay.
this is going to go up against it. Nancy has no imagination when it comes to this kind of stuff.
What are you trying to do?
Find the edge, the end of the tape. There we go. I'm just going to put 3 pieces of double-sided tape so that it'll stick. One there. It's not sticking.
Or it won't. It's the canvas. It won't stick to the canvas.
Okay, well then I'll just have to use more regular tape.
More regular tape.
Hold that down there. Hold that down there. She's got it washi taped too, so that it's got a frame around it in case we didn't frame it.
Right.
But I thought that a matted frame would look nice with this picture.
That's the top.
Yep, so I need to flip that around because that's the bottom of the picture.
There you go. Now this is the top.
Yep.
Okay.
I just want to make sure it looks right before I seal it up.
Yep. It looks good. Now this flamingo was the flamingo I got at the thrift store for $1. And it did not come with any drills, so I had to use my spare drills to the colors as close as possible.
The frame was more than...
The frame was
way more than
the picture and the drills, yeah. But it's for my granddaughter, so Her birthday party
Finished
theme
product.
is Flamingo. Okay, we have a glare. So, there we go. A little bit of a glare, but there it is, guys. What do you think? Put it in the comments if you like it or you don't like it.
Have a great night.
Bye, and be kind.